Next, we are going to do question 15 on your study guide. This says square TUVW is being rotated 270 degrees, and the directions say that is counterclockwise. These blanks, of course, should say T prime, U prime, V prime, and W prime. So I had to add one in there. So I'm going to go ahead and graph the original before rotating. So T is -6, -2. U is -3, -3. V is -4, -6. And W is -7, -5. So this is T, U, V, W, the original. So now I'm going to rotate it 270 degrees counterclockwise. If you are using the rules, remember this is the same as 90 degrees clockwise. So your rule would be to switch the X and the Y, and then clockwise is to the right, so it would be Y, -X. So switch them and then change the sign on what was originally the X coordinate. I'm going to rotate my paper 270 degrees counterclockwise. So when I do that, counterclockwise is to the left. So here's 90, 180, and 270. I'm going to read what my graph looks like when viewing it this way. So point T is now to the left 2 and up 6. So that's -2, 6. U is to the left 3 up 3. So that's -3, 3. V is to the left 6 up 4. So that's -6, 4. And then W is to the left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left 5 and up 7. So that's -5, 7 for W prime. Now that I have my points, I can put my paper back to normal and just graph these points. So T -2, 6. -3, 3, -6, 4, and then -5, 7. So this is T prime, U prime, V prime, and W prime. Connect. And there's my rotation 270 degrees counterclockwise.